everyone, welcome to today's class on Commercial Arithmetic 1. So in today's video we'll be solving some more problems related to laws of indices. So let's look at the first problem, that is simplify 6 plus 1 upon 3 whole raised to 4 into 6 minus 1 upon 3 whole raised to 4 whole divided by 3 plus 1 upon 6 whole raised to 4 into 3 minus 1 upon 6 whole raised to 4. So in the first step over here, we are taking the LCM, that is 6 3s are 18. So in the denominator we will get it as 3. So we have used the LCM over here. So the first step is 18 plus 1 upon 3 whole raised to 4. It is written as it is. So this term again we have taken LCM. So we will get it as 18 minus 1 upon 3 whole raised to 4. Similarly, in the denominator, again over here we will take LCM. So we will get it as 18 plus 1 upon 6 whole raised to 4 into 18 minus 1 upon 6 whole raised to 4. So in this step we are simplifying, that is 18 plus 1 is 19 whole raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4. So here again we have used the formula, that is laws of indices. A raised to m whole raised to n can be written as a raised to m into n. Here m is nothing but as 1 and n is 4. So 4 ones are 4. So you will get it as 19 raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 4. Similarly, 18 minus 1 is 17. So we will get it as 17 raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 4. Similarly, the denominator, that is 18 plus 1 is 19. So whole raised to 4 upon 6 raised to 4 into 17, this term 17 raised to 4 upon 6 raised to 4. So this whole term, when it goes to the numerator, so we'll arrive at this step, that is 19 raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 4 into 17 raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 4. So this term we have written it as 6 raised to 4 upon 19 raised to 4 into 6 raised to 4 upon 17 raised to 4. So in the next step, here you can see 19 raised to 4 into 19 raised to 4 over here. So you can use the formula a raised to m upon a raised to n can be written as a raised to m minus n. So the base over here is 19. So you have written 19 raised to 4 minus 4, that is a raised to m minus n. Similarly, for 17 raised to 4, you can write it as 17 raised to 4 minus 4. So you are done with these terms. So the remaining terms we have written as it is. So in the next step, so 19 raised to 4 minus 4 is nothing but 0, that is 19 raised to 0. A power 0 we know it as 1. So anything raised to 0 is always 1. So 19 raised to 0 and 17 raised to 0, the value is 1. So you are left with these two terms. So again you can use the first law. The base is same, that is 6. So you can write it as a raised to m into a raised to n as a raised to m plus n. So you will get it as 6 raised to 4 plus 4. So here these two terms are 1. So similarly in the denominator, again by using the first law, we will get it as 3 raised to 4 plus 4. So the next step is 6 raised to 8 upon 3 raised to 4. So in this step you can write it as 6 upon 3 whole raised to 8, because when you multiply again you will get back to this step. So in this step again 3 2s are 6. So you will get it as 2 raised to 8. The answer is 256. So you can stop up to this step. So even this is a easy problem, only you should be familiar with all the laws of indices. The next problem is simplify 5 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 9 minus 10 raised to 7 into 2 raised to 6 whole divided by 3 into 5 raised to 12 minus 5 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 11 minus 2 raised to 10. So these type of problems we had solved in the previous video. So in the similar way we have to solve this problem. So let me just quickly revise this problem. So in the first step you have we'll get it as 5 cube into, here 10 raised to 7 is common, so we are getting it as 10 raised to 7 into 10 raised to 2 minus 1 into 2 raised to 6. In the denominator here you can see 5 raised to 10 is common and here 2 raised to 10 is common. So in the denominator we'll get it as 3 into 5 raised to 10 into 5 square minus 1 into 2 raised to 10 into 2 minus 1. So in the next step it is just a simplification. So here you'll write it as 5 cube into 10 raised to 7. So here 10 square minus 1 is 99 and 2 raised to 6 as it is. In the denominator 3 into 5 raised to 10, so 5 square minus 1 is 24 into 2 raised to 10, so 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. In the next step, so here this term 10 raised to 7 can be written as 2 into 5 whole raised to 7. So 10 is written as 2 into 5. So why we have written 2 into 5? It is because you can see there is a base 5 over here, also the base 2. So using this step it will be easy for you to simplify the given problem. So in this step we have written 10 as 2 into 5. So here in this step we'll get it as 5 cube into, we know that a into b whole raised to m can be written as a raised to m into b raised to m. So we have used that law over here. So we'll get it as 5 cube into 2 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 7 into 99 into 2 raised to 6 whole divided by 3 into 5 raised to 10 into 24 into 2 raised to 10. So the next step is simplification. So by using the first law, that is a raised to m into a raised to n can be written as a raised to m plus n. Here you can see the base is same, 5 into 5, and here the base is 2. So you can write it as 5 raised to 3 plus 7 into 2 raised to 7 plus 6 into 99 upon the denominator is as it is. So in this step again we have used the second law. So here 5 raised to 3 plus 7 is nothing but 5 raised to 10. So here in the denominator you can see there's another 5 raised to 10. So you can use the law a raised to m upon a raised to n, which can be written as a raised to m minus n. So we'll get it as 5 raised to 10 minus 10. So similarly we'll get it as, this term is nothing but 2 raised to 13. So this is 2 raised to 10. So we'll get it as 2 raised to 13 minus 10 into 99 whole divided by, so these two terms are done, so you are remaining with 3 into 24. So the final simplification is, so here this 5 raised to 10 minus 10 is nothing but 5 raised to 0, which is equal to 1. So here 2 raised to 13 minus 10 is 2 raised to 3 into 99 whole divided by 3 into 24. So 3 8s are 24 and 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So again 3 into 11. So you will get this step, that is 2 cube into 11 whole divided by 8. So we know that 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So this and this term gets cancelled. So you are remaining with 11. So 11 is the answer.